we'll guide you through how to back up your files using Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com, log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, you'll see your Dropbox homepage. To start backing up files, click on the Upload button located at the top right corner of the page. A window will pop up giving you the option to choose files or folders from your computer. Select the files or folders you want to back up. If you're backing up a lot of data, it's a good idea to use folders to keep things organized. Once you've selected your files, click Open and Dropbox will start uploading them. You'll see a progress bar showing the status of your uploads. For larger files, this might take a little while depending on your internet speed. Once your files are uploaded, they'll be securely stored in your Dropbox account and accessible from any device where you're logged into Dropbox. If you want to ensure continuous backup, consider installing the Dropbox desktop app. This app can automatically sync files from your computer to your Dropbox account, which means any changes you make to files on your computer will be automatically updated in Dropbox. To do this, download the Dropbox app from the website, install it, and follow the prompts to set it up. Once installed, you'll have a Dropbox folder on your computer that syncs with your online account. This setup ensures that your files are always backed up and accessible from anywhere. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.